Welcome back to Andrew's Journeys, and today we are going to show you to create your own game. So you want to go click anywhere. Come on, there we go. When you click anywhere, edit sprite. This is part 2 of how to make a game. Okay, so after you go click edit and edit sprite, you want to go to browse, select your category. Pixel characters, and we want this guy. Okay, so get this guy, and then we want to do this. Click this thing right here, and that will get you to animations. So create new animation. I'm just calling this run. Click OK. So now you want to click. You want to add 3 frames. Click here, and I'm going to add. Oh, actually 4 frames. Sorry about that. You actually want to add 4 frames because there's this guy. And you play it, and he should be walking like so. So you can change the speed by pressing this minus button. Now he's super fast. Now he's extremely duper fast. And we can add another frame right here, and then add this guy, and then you make it silly. Do you want that's that. This one is that, and this one is that, and then okay, we might just keep that. I like that. Okay, now it's a little slow. Nah. If you don't want it silly, then just get rid of frame. Just get rid. You just need to press this minus button to get rid of the frame. Press minus and then click frame right here. I just want it like this. Stop. Play. And that's how it looks like. Wait, stop. Now play it. There we go. Now it looks much better. So that's our dude. Now he cannot move yet. First you want to make him move a little. But he won't go like back and forth. He won't do the animation yet. So if I play it, he just stands. Oh, that's right. I'm getting rid of that walking sound. Open bundle. Oh, we're getting rid of this. Oh, wait, oops, no, wrong one. Delete it. You can have the sound, you don't have to. But as you can see, he doesn't even move. So I'll show you how to make it move. So first you want to take this guy right here. Okay, so first you want to go to behaviors. You want to click on this always right here. Always logic and math, number, properties. All you're in here, you want to click on flip, and you want to go click on this one. What says T or city? I don't know. So number out forward. Set the number. Let's just say 5 or 12 or something. I'll just put 12. Okay. out get. Okay. We won't need to delete. So the reason why you need to flip is because so first we're gonna make a wall. Let's just say this is our wall. We'll name it edit. We'll name it wall. Always name your stuff. Let's call you bad guy. So what is gonna happen is he's gonna straightly okay, oh, okay, he's a little too fast still. Just change the number, set it like 5 or something. Play. Now he's a little too slow, so we'll speed him up. 8, no, let's say it's just 7, okay. So, as you can see, he's bumping into the wall, but he's not going back, so, well, we want him to go back and forth. So we want to click on the collision and triggers, and you want to go to any wall. So now you want to go wall, toggle, flip. Okay, he's gonna hit the wall. As soon as he hits the wall, it doesn't really matter, toggle or flip. It both work. As soon as he hits the wall, he's gonna come back. So now you want to clone this, and then you're gonna keep hitting the wall back and forth like so. And now you guys are like thinking, we just added an animation, but it's not working. So now what you want to do is you want to go to always, properties, animation, out, start. And now he'll do this animation. And we can also one more thing, you can also make him dangerous. So you want to go to triggers, delete, collision. You want you want it to be, okay, name my player. I'm gonna name my player, just to make it easy. Always name your stuff. So, player. This I'm just name it grass. Okay, so now we will change this to player. So now it's so now when our player touches him, you want to go to game flow, next level, go, and that next level, reset current. When our player hits him, it's gonna reset. So now it resets whenever we hit him. And that is the bad guys part. We will next time we'll do music and portals for going to the next level. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys soon. Bye!